Welcome today in front of me CUBOT Note 9, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where we'll add the widget. So I'll create a new one, and now just to add the widget, we should hold for a while our device screen and then click here the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, the YouTube Music has only one widget, the Google Maps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the Gmail app also has 2, the clock also 2 of the widgets, and the calendar and the home also they have just only 2 widgets. For example, in the calendar app we can use the month view or the calendar schedule, and just to add those widgets we should hold for a while, and after that we should just drag them, for example here to the right upper corner. If you want to resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller by this way. If you want to move the widget here on the screen, just hold and drag it, and we also can move the widgets between the screen. Just hold and drag to the left or to the right side, or if you want to create the new screen with the widget by the same way, just hold it and drag it here. And if you want to remove it, you just should hold the widget and after that drag it to the remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.